Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D350 X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is also finished in Carpathian grey. To start off with then, you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those low light conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a grey finish, really complementing against the Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. The vehicle does in fact come with a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. Once we open up the boot, you are able to see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Moving through the rear seats, you can find the ebony upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find your lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 9,883 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You of course also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have your 4x4 information, along with your terrain response drive modes. Both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. As well as this, you also have your 360 view camera with an off-road feature as well, helping for those off-road days. And of course you also have your on-road feature, which gives you a 360 view, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. You also have front heated and ventilated seats, and paired with this is a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D350 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.